Kids' bikes have gotten really expensive lately, haven't they? I'm Rhoda from the family ByCycle. We have wild adventures with kids and bikes. And today, with a bit of help from my little brother Bob, I'm going to strip down this old Islabikes Beinn 24 for refurbishment. We paid just £100 on Facebook Marketplace for it. Next time, we're going to look in more detail at what we've decided to fix and upgrade on this bike and start work showing you how you can do it too. Please subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon to hear when our next videos come out. Next time we're going to look in more detail at what we've decided to fix and upgrade on this bike and start work showing you how you can do it too. Head over to our podcast at familybycycle.uk to hear my mum and dad talk more about buying kids' bikes. Or why not check out one of our other videos? My sister Ruth rode 77 miles to the seaside. And my big brother Thomas Ivor will show you how he built his own road bike by himself. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! That's as close as I could have gotten it.
Okay, rinse it.